What is AT&T Financial? Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in att.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of AT&T. Now over here you will find this option of My AT&T. Click on it. Likewise click on the option of Sign In. With that you will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is type in your AT&T credentials. Firstly type in your user ID. After you type in, click on Continue. Now you will need to type in your password. In the case you have forgotten password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of Sign In, and with that you will be logged into your account. AT&T is not about making connection through phones and internet. Behind the scenes, there is a whole financial division working tirelessly to keep the company running smoothly. AT&T Financial is responsible for managing the company's investments, handling debt and equity financing, and ensuring the overall financial health of the organization. Their financial team plays a critical role in strategic decision-making. They analyze market trends, evaluate investment opportunities, and ensures that AT&T finances are in line with their long-term goals. Financial reporting is another key aspect of AT&T Financial. They prepare detailed reports that provide insights into companies' performance, helping stakeholders understand their AT&T stance financially. Whether it's shareholders, investors, or regulatory authorities, AT&T Financial ensures transparency and compliance with financial regulations. Budgeting and financial planning are also central to AT&T Financial responsibilities. So that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about what is AT&T Financial. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.